Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Simplify Investing. I wanted to break down the three trades that we made today. So I will start by showing you we made right here, we made some AMD 49 calls right here earlier this morning. Boeing 120 puts at 853, and then our biggest play of the day was this XOM 36 call right here. It ended up closing right about now at 270 from 113, so almost 150% gain. I will break down all three of these trades for you guys. As you can tell, these two trades right here were cut short due to high premiums and movement that we saw was the movement that we predicted or the movement that we were looking for. However, premiums on AMD and Boeing were so inflated that the move did not cause the underlying premiums to move as much as we'd hope. So let's get down into it, and I'll break down the first one. So the first one we have right here is AMD. I'm sure a lot of you guys know this one. You can see this nice solid uptrend here. This is one that I really started to watch yesterday. It came on my radar due to all of this volume. Look at all that strength right there. The strongest volume right here. Yesterday, all that buy volume and buy volume into close. This is what I was watching into open, this large amount of volume right here. As you can tell right here, we broke through the 47.19 resistance level, pushed up on open right here. Look at the strong reversal candle right here. This is actually where we ended up getting in right here. And then this initial surge right here, which ended up being a false breakout up here with the rejection of 47.86. We actually ended up closing right up here at 47.88 and then ended up closing down here back at 47.33. This is a perfect example right here of a strong trend with a false breakout. These do happen sometimes. I mean, I'll be the first to admit you can't go throughout trading without having false breakouts, and this is a prime example of one. So you see this initial surge up, the strong reversal candle here off that open, push up here, and then that false breakout down here into the consolidation, push up at this 45.94 pre-market support here, and now you can see it consolidating between these lines. Ultimately, break above 47.19 here for a gap back up to the 47.86 level that we got rejected at before, or a push back down here to the 46.03 level and hold for another call entry. So now I will be going into the next play that we had, which was Boeing 120 puts. This Boeing play was meant and posted in the channel as a quick intraday play. Boeing showing relative weakness here. See this big cup handle breakout right here. Breakthrough right here at 155.74 on that breakthrough of the cup. We alerted this right in here on this gap down below. Push through here. As you can tell though, Boeing has extremely high premiums right now. Actually over 200%, so this drop right here typically would result in a 10, 15, 20% move. However, due to those inflated premiums, Boeing was not moving as much as we'd like. So you see this initial gap down to this 141.76 base support, consolidation here, and breakthrough right here, and gap up to 174.77. This is one that's been on our radar a lot lately, simply due to the volume and move that it's seen lately. The volume recently in Boeing has been 3 to 4 times stronger than what it has recently. Look at the strong volume here. And then you get these initial surges right here. By far a lot more volume than it's seen recently. So we're looking for this one to keep up its movement, close below 174.77 and see its move tomorrow. Ultimately a 180 to 182 price range. And the last one we wanted to break down for you, and actually was our biggest play today, up over 150%, was XOM. So here's what we saw. We saw this double rejection right here, this double top right here from yesterday at 35.12. We had this initial pump up with the market, as we saw with AMD. Consolidation breakdown, 3 white crow pattern right here, a bearish sign pattern all the way down. See this 35.12 touch right here on that base support. Reversal candle here. This is right where we alerted it on this reversal candle confirmation on the 5-minute right here. Pushed up, consolidate on the middle VWAP, and look at that gap up. So from this run right here of $35, that's almost a 7 or a 6% gain alone in the underlying, and this ended up proving to us to be a 150% gain from right down here at that 35.06 to up here at the 38.66. Again, I'll show you guys some profits today from the team that we had. Let's go to the profits channel. We'll go down to the bottom. Let's swipe down. Here's Dave with a play right here. XOM got in at 224, sold at 546. huge play. $2,200 from Dave again. James making a good play today on Disney. Dave again making a nice play. Right here, Tilray paying off for Noah, 250%. Also right here, Phil making 120%. This is the update. He sold at 526. Right here's the update of when he initially got in. Another play there. Here's another big gain on Procter & Gamble. And another play here. So, and lastly, right here, I want to congratulate one of our members, Trevor, making $2,500 today and $4K yesterday. He's up over $6,000 in 2 days simply from trading. Again, guys, if you're looking to learn how to trade, want to follow a team to trade, want to grow a growing community of traders and people that are like-minded, head to simplifiedinvesting.site today and get 20% off. We'd love to have you guys, and as always, have a great day and hope this video helps. Thanks.